We're shooting?
Okay, so we need water, sugar, some clear cups, doesn't really matter the size, and then pens and pencils, some tape, popsicle sticks, or string, either or, and then different color food colorings, and then different flavorings. I have peppermint and vanilla. I'm gonna measure the string to about the top of the lid, and then about 1 inch more, and then cut.
We're shooting.
Next, take your tape, get a little segment of tape, put your pencil there, and you're gonna wanna have it strung around where the string doesn't touch the bottom of the cup. So I'm gonna do a little bit more just because it's curved. And now tape it to the top. And there you go.
We're shooting.
Okay, so next I have this, and it's just for this jar. I'm gonna use a stick. So it can't touch the bottom, so I'm gonna cut some off, about that much. And that's probably perfect. And I'm gonna take my tape, and I'm gonna try to stick it to the pen. There we go. Make it straight so it doesn't touch any of the sides. Perfect.
We're shooting?
Okay, so for this, the straw was way too short. The string was way too short, so I'm using a straw now. So again, I'm just gonna cut like there, and I'm gonna tape it to this. So I'm gonna need some tape. So once you have your tape, perfect. I'm gonna take it like there. Just tape it around there so it doesn't fall, and you're good.
Shooting?
So now we take some sugar and put it on a plate. Doesn't have to be an exact amount because we're just dipping these in them. So we need to get them wet with water. So all wet. Take it and just kind of put some sugar on it. Like so, like this. And then once it's all coated in sugar, just put it right back over here to dry, and then repeat. Cups of water. Yes. Put it in a medium-sized saucepan. And then put it over here. And let it boil.
Shooting.
Now that the water's boiling, add a cup of the sugar. Is that a cup? No, it's not a cup. A cup, and then stir. Is boiling. Add the second cup, and stir till dissolved. Okay, so now add that third cup. Yeah, and stir. As you can see, it's getting clumpy in here. I don't know if you can tell. It's like super clumped up. Add that last cup of sugar, so a total of 4 cups of sugar, and you can see how it's getting harder and harder to dissolve in the water.
We're shooting.
Now that is all dissolved, remove from the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes. Pour this syrup stuff into the glass. Be careful not to spill any. And place it to the side. Grab the next. Kind of that. Grab this one. Pour it in. And then take the last one. Pour the rest. But I have some left over, so I'm going to put it in this one. Just the rest in here. And set that aside. So we're going to put red in this one, just to give it some color. Stir to make sure it's an even color. And we're not adding any flavoring to this one. And next, we're doing blue. Was that too much? And we are going to add vanilla to this one. Not a lot, just about a teaspoon. Circle. Next, we are going to add yellow to this one, and we will be putting orange extract in this. Gotta open it. Just about a teaspoon. That was too much, but you know what? It's gonna be fine. It'll just be extra orange, extra orangey. And lastly, we are going to do green. And this will have peppermint extract in it. Not a big fan of peppermint, but this is also not opened. Okay. Not gonna add too much in this one, or like half a teaspoon. All right. Next, we are going to add these in to each of them. Why is it? Oh. This one's kind of hard to get in. You can't make sure it can't touch any of the sides. That one's gonna be a little weird. And then place it in. Place the final one in. This is day 7, and it's pretty much still the same. Forming on the top, not really on the strings here. Can't really see into the blue, and nothing on the straw.